Hello and welcome to the session. 7.8 Manage Continuous Organizational Improvement LO3. Be able to plan and lead change within an organization. Are you ready to explore effective change management within an organization? This video delves into planning and leading change to ensure successful and sustainable improvements. Discover how structured actions and strong leadership drive continuous organizational improvement. Effective change planning starts with clear objectives linked to improvement needs. It involves setting realistic goals and identifying necessary resources. Responsibilities must be assigned and timelines established. This reduces uncertainty and provides a clear implementation framework. Change activities are coordinated and aligned with organizational priorities. Change planning must be informed by performance data and stakeholder feedback. Decisions should be based on analysis, not assumptions. This increases the likelihood of addressing root causes. It strengthens change initiatives' credibility with stakeholders. Evidence-based planning delivers measurable improvements. Leading change focuses on managing people rather than processes. Effective leadership involves communicating the purpose of change. Addressing concerns and maintaining engagement is crucial. Trust, visibility, and consistency are essential leadership qualities. Leaders should role model commitment to change. Resistance to change is natural and expected. Effective leaders anticipate resistance through involvement and communication. Engaging employees early increases ownership and reduces opposition. Feedback opportunities strengthen commitment and improve implementation. Support, rather than enforcement, is key. Change often requires new skills and behaviors. Leaders must support employees through training and coaching. Access to resources is essential for effective change adoption. Capability building reduces anxiety and increases confidence. It enables staff to sustain change effectively. Change management is an ongoing process. Monitoring progress against objectives is crucial. Feedback helps identify issues and make adjustments. Continuous monitoring supports learning and alignment with goals. It embeds a culture of continuous improvement. Leading change extends beyond implementation. Change must be embedded into systems and policies. Reinforcement through recognition and accountability is vital. Consistent messaging ensures new practices are normalized. Sustained change supports long-term effectiveness. Introducing improvements requires understanding specific changes needed. Coordinated changes across people, systems, and culture are essential. Altering one element in isolation is ineffective. Resources, leadership, and job roles may need adjustment. Equipment and procedures should align with new processes. Agreeing changes with stakeholders is crucial for success. Clear identification and communication are necessary. Structured feedback and formal agreements are important. Stakeholder engagement reduces resistance and supports implementation. Consensus building ensures effective change. A structured change plan provides clarity and accountability. It ensures stakeholders understand the changes and their impacts. Recognized project management approaches strengthen success. Documentation and communication are key. A well-structured plan supports sustained improvement. Systems and procedures must support new ways of working. Aligning systems design with resources and documentation is crucial. Communication and formal policies reinforce change. Systems must be user-friendly and consistently applied. Effective systems support sustainable improvements. Resources must be integrated into systems to support change. Adequate staffing and role allocation are essential. Access to training and technology is crucial. Time must be allocated for implementation and review. Embedded resources ensure operational support for change. Clear documentation is vital for embedding change. Policies and procedures must reflect new practices. Training materials and process guides are essential. Records of decisions and changes provide accountability. Well-managed documentation ensures clarity and consistency. Communication systems must support engagement and information flow. Regular meetings and briefings are important. Formal reporting structures ensure progress visibility. Feedback channels and escalation routes are necessary. Effective communication supports responsive change implementation. Policies and procedures formalize change. Existing policies must be reviewed and updated. New procedures may be introduced as needed. Standards, responsibilities, and compliance should be clearly defined. Aligning policies with change objectives prevents regression. Systems must include review and continuous improvement mechanisms. Scheduled audits and performance reviews are essential. Feedback analysis assesses system effectiveness. Embedding review ensures improvements evolve. Continuous improvement prevents stagnation. In conclusion, planning and leading change within an organization is essential for achieving continuous improvement and adapting to evolving business environments. Effective change management involves setting clear objectives, engaging stakeholders, communicating openly, and providing support throughout the change process. Strong leadership helps manage resistance, maintain momentum, and ensure successful implementation. Being able to plan and lead change enables organizations to improve performance, remain competitive, and achieve long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 4361 688.